Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, CB radio and ham radio fans, hello, I'm back here. Well, with a new small video I will test in the next few days and weeks all my linear amplifier. This is the GALAXI 1000 and this is the Jumbo Aristocrat or Titan 500. And this is a homemade machine with a PL519 tube and the BV-131 by ZETAGI, also EL519. And this here is a very special a mobile amplifier by KRIS. It uses two pieces of 6S6XJ. And this here is a summer camp PA100 transistor and a PA150 transistor and a famous Typhoon 150 by Telco and a small BRL by Bremi about 50 watts and here AP25 about 25 watt small amplifier. Okay, I will make this video in the next few days and enjoy the videos. I think the first amplifier I will test is the Jumbo Aristocrat, or with another name is a Titan 500 here. Bye bye.